All right, I just made some sirloin steak center cuts, and these are bomb as hell with some A1 steak sauce. See, they're nice and bloody. That's what you want. You want all them juices in there. See that? It's somewhat cooked, so yeah, I would say this is medium. And you could tell by poking it too on how tough it is. You can tell if it's medium, medium well, medium rare. Yeah, this is really good stuff. I think I cooked it perfectly. Medium's what you want for something like this. And it goes great with some A1 steak sauce. Best shit in the world right here. Now look at that, I just cut up a nice little piece. It's nice and bloody, look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I like this stuff. Good shit. Perfect.